Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to apply ultra dynamic filters. You have a table, you have your filters, and you will only show in each of those filters the fields that are visible in the table. Let's dive in. I hope you're going to like it and that you're going to use it in your applications. By the way, I always put in the comment box a link to the retool forum where I put all the explanation and also a link where you can download the JSON app so you can upload it into your retool account and see how it's done and apply it into your tools. Anyway, let's go. Okay, so I have a very simple with one query. I am using, I uploaded to Retool the latest summary of the US government's AI home cases that each agency provides to the government, which has a lot of information here. Yeah, use cases, but man, anyway, I think you'll find it fun if you download the app that I'm going to be providing in the Retool forum. So what is this about? So you have all these filters that I have set up as default filters in my table, nothing really complicated. You have the column, the name of the component, all that is straightforward. But what is really cool is that I have created a global function. As a reminder, this is in beta. It's not available for everyone. If you want, I'm going to provide the link to the post where you can request access, and basically you can create global functions that you can call from all your event handlers, or in this case, I'm actually calling that function from my hidden settings in my select components. So basically what I'm doing is I want to hide any value for this filter that is not showing in the table because of other filters previously applied. So let's put an example. I'm going to go to borough. So we have here a big list of agencies, but what if I go and select just one borough? This will filter the table and I will only see one agency here. And that has already filtered that here. Topic areas, it's just mission enabling and empty and stage, only those four. And that applies for all filters. So if I go to law and justice, then I will only see the agencies that have a loan agency, law and justice topic area, and then the bureaus and the same. So this is really cool because it's making your filters ultra dynamic. And this is achieved with a very simple query. I have defined 4 parameters, sorry, not query, function. I have the value, which is, as a reminder, actually going to make a step back. So this here is going to run the function for each and every, as it's saying here, is item for each item in the dataset. So I have 327 items in this dataset, data source, and this function is going to run it for all of them, returning a false or a true. If false is not hidden, if true is hidden. So this code is basically in the parameters that I'm sending value, which is item, key, which is a borough, which is matching this data here. So you have agency, borough, yeah, and also is matching the key from the data table. Filter stack, because we're not able to get in this global function, we're not able to call the get displayed data function to show data from the table. I'm having to reapply all of the filters directly here. And this is what it's basically doing. I'm sending the filter stack and I'm applying the filter to that data. And then I have the data table, which I'm sending again here. I just mapped it so that it's not very heavy. The table has a lot, like 35 columns. So I just mapped it so that it's just sending the relevant fields that it's going to be searching for. And basically, that's what it's returning. If it exists or not, is returning true or false. And this is applying it directly to it. So if I go to an agency and Department of Justice, you'll see that it has actually, sorry, the commerce, I selected that wrong. And it will just find the boroughs that are related, topic areas, and so on. So ultra dynamic filters, really, there's a bit of a lag every time you select one filter. I'm guessing because it's running the function against all of those items that it's sending. But this is quite a heavy set. This is so around 2,000 items. Yeah, 2,000 items with a lot of columns that you saw there. So there's how many in the keys? Or let's see. So it's 54 keys. So it's a massive table, which I would usually have, but it still feels fast enough, and I really like it. It makes it ultra dynamic. Cool. All right. I hope you like it. Again, in the description of this video, find the link to the forum post where I will put this JSONB for a JSONB for this app, so you can download it and upload it in your app. And also, I'm going to put this small code so you can replicate it, and the link to request better access to Global Functions if you don't have it yet. All right.